Oh my God. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today we're gonna do a birthday unboxing. It's my birthday, it's Cancer season. So for all y'all that have birthdays this month, happy birthday. So with that being said, I decided to treat myself with a rare unicorn plant, and I'm gonna do an unboxing for it here today. So if y'all wanna see a unicorn plant being unboxed for my birthday, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you guys already fell in love with my personality, you can follow me at Melina Glam on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, and I believe that's it. But without further ado, let's unbox a new variegated plant for my birthday. Okay, you guys, before I unbox this plant, let me tell you how I chose this plant. So every year I decide to treat myself with a variegated unicorn plant. Last year it was the variegated billet, which I drove all the way to Houston. So this year I had no idea which variegated unicorn plant I wanted up until like last month. I saw this unicorn variegated plant philodendron specifically that this Instagrammer slash YouTuber JC Ferrer, go look him up, was growing, and his specimen is wow. He had a video of a seedling. He got a seedling and he grew this plant up until maturity, and the colors, oh my God, I'm gonna give you some hints. The colors, this philodendron definitely changes so much. The leaf of this philodendron changes so much. It gets beautiful coloring if you get a good specimen, and overall his plant was just magical. Like all the comments on his social media were like, wow, this specimen is so beautiful. The variegation is awesome. Like, you did a good job. And I had to agree. Go follow JC Ferrer on his social media. All his plants are beautiful. Shout out to you. Thanks to JC Ferrer, I decided which philodendron pretty much I wanted. With all that being said, I logged into my Facebook and I posted a picture of this unicorn plant, and I said, if you guys have cuttings, rooted cuttings or plants, let's see what you got. And everybody posted pretty much more mature plants, which the prices were good, but I didn't want to splurge a lot of money. I wanted a cute little seedling so I can grow it out just like JC. So someone on that group recommended a plant shop, Happy Plants OCK, Oklahoma City. And they posted the plant that I wanted, a picture of it, and I fell in love with it, and I fell in love with the price. So as I was going through their pages, they had more specimens, they had mature ones, and they had seedlings, which was what I was looking for. So I reached out to them. Communication was great. It was fast. We settled on the price. It arrived in 2 days. I was happy because all this week we've been having high 99 to 100-degree weather all this week. So I was worried that this plant was gonna melt in the box. Let me show you this plant finally that I got for my birthday. So let's begin the unboxing, you guys. Yeah, here we go. I always get nervous with unboxing, so okay. Okay, you guys, so yeah, like I said, this is a seedling, and oh my God, okay, let's unbox her. Okay, here we go. All right, I see some foam. I'm usually bad with choosing which the right side up. Does it say? I believe this is the... Okay. Oh my god! They included a little card with my name. It says Melina, and it's from Hallmark. Whoa. Oh my god. It's a little card. I did let them know that it was my birthday, so it says, "Don't leave me." Oh my god, that's so cute. And it says, Melina, thank you so much for your support. Happy birthday, happy plants. That is so nice. They got me a little card for my birthday. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, all right, let's unbox her. Okay. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, this comes in a like little like thermal pack. Yeah, packaging so far so good. That is crazy. Okay. Hopefully this plant didn't get too hot in here because like I said, weather in Dallas, Texas, that is crazy. Okay. This Texas is so crazy right now. Okay. Here we go. This is what the name of the plant. I'm not gonna show you guys yet. I'm gonna open it. Okay. The box says happy plants. And oh my god. I already see the plant. Okay. Oh my god. She's a little... Oh my god. Look at her. Okay, guys, so let me free her first. Oh my god, you guys, look at her. This is a philodendron caramel marble. Oh my god, she's so variegated. Look at the variegation already. I know right now it doesn't look like the philodendron caramel marble, but when it matures, it's gonna be so beautiful. Here she is, you guys. This is the variegated philodendron caramel marble. Look at those half moons. I did put her in a cloche and I moistened the moss. I didn't repot her. She's still a seedling. I did not want to bother the roots. I pretty much just cut up a little cup and I added some water. So it'll take as much water as it needs. And I added a cloche so it would have high humidity, pretty much 100% humidity. And I'm just gonna moisten up the moss. And when I see that it's dry, I'm gonna pretty much water her thoroughly and watch her grow. I decided to put her in the cloche so it can grow faster. And it's living in my IKEA greenhouse cabinet, which is very humid in there. It's about 70 to 90 degree humidity and it's already in the cloche, so it's gonna do well. Hopefully my plant grows as big as JC's plant. And yeah, we're gonna watch this on my channel. We're gonna care for it together and hopefully I don't kill it. I'm very happy. And a shout out to Happy Plants OCK. I love my philodendron caramel marble. It's so cute. The variegation is so pretty. I'll definitely be looking through your shop. Shout out to them. Go follow them too. Again, Happy Plants OCK. Thank you. Thanks for watching. My name is Melina, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye, guys.